Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I help to partner with people in their relationship with food, body, weight, and eating. And part of my role in the health and wellness space is a lot of times people will look to supplements or pills or potion or program, which is not a bad thing. I think you can work with any pill, potion, or program to help with your health transformation. Yet, I always like to say there has to be a foundation of food first. And so if you're skipping over that and relying on a supplement to override your food behaviors, it won't last for very long. It might do something for a little bit in the meantime, but in order for true transformation, I'm talking years, and hopefully that's what you're interested in. Otherwise, it's just a fad that probably will die out, which maybe that's what you're interested in anyway. But for food foundations, for food first behaviors, you first want to figure out your meal timing. What is going to be something that's going to help you in regards to when you eat? That does matter. A lot of people have gotten really interested in intermittent fasting and the timing of their meals, and that got kind of pretty trendy for a while. Maybe it still is trendy. And when you eat can affect your health. What I didn't say is if you eat late, you get fat, which is what people hear when they think about intermittent fasting. Two, you really want to understand that meal planning isn't just something that type A personalities do for health. It can be a skill set that really helps the family system just be more comforted in their food, where if you're always just flying by the seat of your pants, which there's seasons of that, food can feel scarce or spontaneous or not reliable or become emotional, where there always has to be some sort of excitement. And so planning for meals can help with some of that structure and discipline. Balanced meals, you want to make sure that you can have all things. So food, health doesn't have to be necessarily boring. You can have your cookies or your chips or whatever, but as long as there's a little bit of balance, that you're nourishing your body the most. And then sometimes the nourishment is nachos and really foods that nourish your soul, or maybe some sort of memory or very sentimental reasons. You also want to make sure that you're hydrating. And so water is sometimes overlooked, where people think, oh my gosh, I haven't had any water today. And I sit here even as I'm a full-time worker. I have a business. I have 2 little children. I have a spouse who also works full-time. We have a house and we have a dog, and we're members of the community where we volunteer our time and all of these things. And sometimes I'm like, I haven't had any water today. It's so easy to forget, especially when we're in a society where we have access to clean water so easily. But are you hydrating? And then 2, digestion. Are you eliminating daily a foot long of a formed bowel movement, which I know is kind of gross to talk about, but are you eliminating every day? Are you urinating every day? How is your digestion going in terms of bloating or cramping, even stuff like reflux? How do you feel like your gut microbiome is? How do you feel like your immune system is? How do you feel like your mood is? That's all impacted by digestion. And so really honing in on your food behaviors first and then play with supplements later will be a much more solid foundation for growth. And I highly, highly recommend. And it's also more affordable. Hope this helps. If it does, just like and subscribe for more. Okay, bye.